Hi there. Can you tell us your name, title, and position with the company?
My name is Becky and I'm a mechanical assembler.
How long have you been with us?
9 months.
What are your core functions, key parts of your job?
I put together small parts boxes, I assemble small parts for packaging, and I build carousels.
What is it about manufacturing that you enjoy?
I really enjoy the physical and mental challenges that I face daily.
Describe changes you have seen at Vidir that have led to positive change for you and for women in the manufacturing workplace or environment.
Since working here, I've seen a lot more women that have been hired, and each department has a female in it.
How can women make their mark in the manufacturing workplace?
Not being afraid to put themselves out there by taking on more responsibility and more leadership roles if given the opportunity.
What advice can you give women considering entering the manufacturing industries?
Just be very confident in yourself and very positive, and just don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and get yourself in there.
What are some things that we can do to improve the image of manufacturing in order to attract more women into this industry?
I would probably have to say exposure, because women think of manufacturing jobs and think like, I can't do that, or that's not for me. If they knew that, you could get the work experience there, maybe they would be more interested in at least putting their foot in the door and trying it out.
Thank you.